Hello again, my brilliant learners. It's so nice to have you here with me today. Every time we meet, you acquire more knowledge and confidence in English. And yes, that's our word for today. Today, we're going to learn the word acquire. So, what does acquire mean? To acquire means to get something through learning, buying, or receiving. You can acquire a skill, a language, or even a house. It's a formal word, but very useful in daily life and business. Here are 5 example sentences to help you understand and remember the word acquire. I want to acquire better speaking skills in English. She acquired a new car last month. He acquired a lot of experience while working abroad. The company acquired to smaller businesses last year. Children acquire language naturally as they grow. All right, now it is time for a short story. Just 10 sentences to help you remember acquire in context. When I first moved to a new country, I knew very little of the language. I listened carefully, read signs, and asked lots of questions. Bit by bit, I began to acquire words and phrases. At the market, I acquired the names of fruits and vegetables. On the bus, I acquired the habit of listening to conversations. At home, I watched TV shows with subtitles and acquired even more. It wasn't always easy, but it was exciting. I didn't just learn the language. I acquired confidence too. Now, I help others acquire English in the same way. Learning is like collecting. The more you acquire, the richer you become. So, that's the word acquire. To get or learn something over time. Use it when you talk about skills, knowledge, or even your goals. See you next time for another useful word. Take care and keep learning.